Brig Ramshaw. Dear students, in the last class we have studied different persons, personal pronouns and demonstrative pronouns and simple sentences. Today we come with lesson 7. Take your text, pages 62 to 68. Pages 62 to 68. See, pronominal suffixes. Pronominal suffixes. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the noun to denote their possessive case. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened form of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the noun to denote their possessive case. The stem or root is formed by dropping the last vowel and aleph of a noun. How the stem or root is formed? By dropping the last vowel and aleph of a noun. The suffixes added to the singular nouns are called pronominal suffixes singular forms. Once again, the suffixes added to the singular forms are known as pronominal suffix singular forms. The suffixes added to the plural nouns are called pronominal suffixes plural forms. There are exceptions also. Here we study pronominal suffix singular forms. Pronominal suffix singular forms. For example, malko. Malko is masculine singular form. Malko means king. See the end forms. See the stem. Malk. Stem is malk. We have dropped aleph and o. Then we will get malk. Malk is the root or stem. And we are going to add the end forms, suffixes. Not prefixes but suffixes. See, malk. Malk, there is a yod. At the end there is a yod. But it is silent. Malk. In order to understand, we say malk with the yod. But it is not pronounced as. It is pronounced malk. But the yod is silent there. Malk. Malk means my king, possessive case. Possessive case. My king. Malk. Malk with the yod, my king. Malkok. See the end form kof. Malkok. Malkok means your king. Second person masculine singular. Malkok. Malk, my king. First person common singular. Malkok, your king. Second person masculine singular. Then malkek. Malkek means second person feminine singular. Malkek. See, kof, yod. Or kof yod, the end form is kof yod. There is malk and kof yod is added. Malkek. Malkek means your king, but it is feminine singular. Second person feminine singular. Your king. Malke. See, at the end there is a he, but it is soundless, not pronounced. Malke. Malke. Malke means third person masculine singular. Malke, his king. Third person masculine singular. His king. See, then malko. Malko. At the end there is he with a dot above the letter. He, which shows it is feminine singular. Malko. 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 Malko means hair king. Malko. Malko. Hair king. Hair king. Then Malkan. Malkan means first person common plural. Malkan. First person common plural. Malkan. Malkan, our king. Our king. First person common plural. Malkan, our king. See, the second person masculine plural. Malkukun. Malk, the stem, and kun is added, suffixed. Malkukun. Malkukun means your king. Second person masculine plural. Malkukun. See, Malkkain. Kain, this is suffixed to the stem Malk. Malkkain. Malkkain means second person feminine plural. Your king. Second person feminine plural. Then Malkuhun. Malkuhun, third person masculine plural. Malkuhun, third person masculine plural. Malkuhun, their king. And Malkhain. Malkhain, third person feminine plural. Malkhain, third person feminine plural. Hain. Hain is the end form. Hain, suffixed to Malk, the stem. Malkhain, their king. See, once again, the pronominal suffixed form Malko. Singular form, pronominal suffix singular form Malko, because it is singular. That's why the pronominal suffix singular form is suffixed. Malk, Malko, Malke, Malke, Malko, Malkan, Malkukun, Malkkain, Malkuhun, Malkhain. Study well. Okay? Then we are going to study pronominal suffix plural form. Plural form is added to plural noun. Here Malke, it is ended in A, and there is a Siomi. That's why it is plural form. Plural form, Malke, kings. Then see the end forms. The suffixes ended. The end form suffixes. See the difference from singular and plural. The plural form is Ike with yod, Ike with yod, Ike with yod, Au, A, Ain, Aikun, Aiken, Aihun, Aiken. The suffixes, plural forms. Then Malke, the stem or root is Malk. We have dropped Aleph and the end vowel, A. Then we will get Malk. And we are going to add to the stem the pronominal suffix plural forms, because the noun is plural. See the plural endings: Malkai, Malkaik, Malkaik with yod, Malkau, Malke, Malkain, Malkaikun, Malkaikain, Malkaihun, Malkaihen. See, Malkai, my kings, possessive case, first person common singular. Malkaik, your king, second person masculine singular. Malkaik with yod, feminine singular, your king. Malkau, his king, third person masculine singular. Then Malke, there is a dot above the he at the end. See, there is a dot. It is very important. Malke. Malke means, here in the plural form, Malke means third person feminine singular, her kings. Her kings. See the difference from singular and plural. Malke, her kings. Then Malkan, Malkain, Malkain. Malkain means our kings. Malkain. Malkain, noon the end form. Malkain, our kings. Then Malkukun. Malkukun, second person masculine plural, your kings. Malkaikun. Malkaikun, your kings. Then Malkaikain, second person feminine plural, your kings. Malkaikain. Malkaikain. Then Aikun, Aikain, end forms. Then Malkaihun. Malkaihun. Aihun is very important. Malkuhun is singular form. Malkaihun is plural form. Malkaihun, their kings. Third person masculine plural. Third person masculine plural. Then Malkai-hen, Malkai-hen. Third person feminine plural, their king. Third person feminine plural, their king. See the next one, Kutobo. Kutobo means book. Kutobo is singular form. Then the pronominal suffix singular form is added. Kutobo, Kutobu with the other. Kutobok, Kutobek, Kutobek with the other. Kutobek, Kutoboch, Kutoban, Kutobakun, Kutobakin, Kutobakun, Kutobake. See? My book, your book, your book. His book, her book. Our book, your book, their book, their book. Okay? See the plural form. The plural form Kutobe. Kutobe means books, but it is different from that of singular. See the endings. Kutobai, Kutobaik, Kutobaik with the other. Kutobau, his books. Kutobe, her books. Kutobain, our books. Kutobaikun, your books. Kutobaikain, your books. Kutobaihun, their books. Kutobaihhen, their books, feminine plural. Okay, study well. Then see Malpono. Malpono, the ending is O. It is singular. Then we will add pronominal suffix singular form to the singular. Malpono. Then we will get Malpon. Malpon with the other. There is the other. Malpon, Malponok, Malponek, Malpone, Malponoh, Malponan, Malponkun, Malponken, Malponhun, Malponhen. See the rhythm. Malpono, Malpon with the other. Malponok, Malponek with the other. Malponeh, Malponoh, Malponan, Malponkun, Malponken, Malponhun, Malponhe. See the next one. Habaro. Habaro means front. Habaro. Habaro. It is ended in O. It is masculine singular. Pronominal suffix singular form is added. Habaro. Habar with the other. Habar. Habarok. Habarek. Habareh. Habaroch, Habaran, Habarkun, Habarken, Habarhun, Habarhen. See, my friend, your friend, your friend, his friend, her friend, our friend, your friend, your friend, their friend, their friend. Okay? See, good. Then, see the next one, Gabaro. Gabaro. Gabaro is singular. Gabaro. Gabaro means man. We have studied. Gabaro, singular form, masculine singular. See the end forms. Gabar, Gabar with yod, there is a yod. Gabar, Gabarok, Gabarek, Gabare, Gabaroch, Gabaran, her man, Gabaroch, Gabaran, our man, Gabarkun, Gabarken, Gabarkun, Gabarhen. See, then the Baitu, exception, Baitu. Baitu means house, it is singular form. Then see, Beth, Beth with the yod, Beth with the yod, my house, Beth, Baitok, Baitek, Baitech, Baito, Baitan, Baitukun, Baituken, Baituhun, Baituhen. Okay, see once again, Baito, Beth with the yod, Beth, Baitok, your house, Baitek, your house, feminine singular, second person. Baite, his house. Baito, her house. Baitan, our house. Baitukun, your house. Baituken, your house, second person, feminine plural. Baituhun, their house, third person, masculine plural. Baituhen, their house, feminine plural, third person, feminine plural. Okay, study well. Then we will study one another noun. Rohamo. Rohamo means friend or lover. Rohamo, girl, boyfriend. Okay, see, Roham with the other. Rohamok, Rohamek, Rohameh, Rohamoh, Rohaman, Rohamkun, Rohamken, Rohamhun, Rohamhe. See, the next one, regile. See, there is two dots for reach. And the end vowel is a, regile, masculine plural, regile. Then the pronominal suffix, masculine plural form is suffixed. See how it is. End forms, I with you, au, ye, ein, aikun, aiken, aikun, aiken. See how it is applied. Regulai, regulai, regulai with you, regulau, regule, regulain, regulai kun, regulai ken, regulai hun, regulai hen. Okay, study well. Then the next one, see the Greek word alohu. Alohu. See how the Aleph is placed. Aleph coming before Lomad is with a slant, like that of Lomad. Alohu. Alohu. Alohu, masculine singular form. Alohu. Then we will add pronominal suffix, singular form to singular. Aloh, the end forms. Yod, ok, ek with yud, yeh, och, an, kun, ken, hun, hen. How it is applied? See. Aloh. Aloh with yod. We will pronounce only aloh. Aloh, there is yod. Aloh. Aloh means my God. Aloh. Alohok. You are God. Second person masculine singular. Alohek with yod. Feminine singular. Second person. Alohek with yod. There is a yod at the end. Alohek. Feminine singular. Second person. Feminine singular. You are God. Then Aloheh. Alohe. Alohe. There is he. Alohe. Alohe. Third person masculine singular. He is God. Then Aloho. 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 There is he. With a dot above he. The last letter is he. And there is a dot above that he. Aloho. Aloho. Have God. Have God. In a pluralistic situation. Have God. Then Alohan. Alohan. Our God. Our God. Alohan. First person common plural. Alohan. Then see Aloh. Here the stem is Aloh. Then kun, ken, hun, hen. See Aloh kun. Second person masculine plural. Aloh kun. Your God. Then Aloh ken. Your God. Second person feminine plural. Aloh ken. Then see Aloh hun. Aloh stem and then hun. Aloh hun. There are two he. See Aloh hen. Aloh hun. Aloh hun. Third person masculine plural. Aloh hun. Third person masculine plural. Their God. Their God. Then see Aloh hen. Third person feminine plural. Their God. Aloh hen. See once again. Aloho. Aloho. Aloh. Alohok. Alohek. Alohech. Alohoch. Alohan. Alohukun. Alohuken. Alohuhun. Alohuhen. Okay? See? Kutobo. Kutobo with the other. Kutobok. Kutobek. Kutobek. Kutoboch. Kutoban. Kutobakun. Kutobakin. Kutobakun. Kutobahen. Kutobahun. Kutobahen. See? Then kutobe, plural form. Pronominal suffix, plural form. How is the end forms? I, aik, aik with the other. Au, e, ein, aikun, aiken, aihun, aihen. For example, kutobe, kutobe, kutobai, kutobaik, kutobaik with the other. Kutobau, kutobe, kutobain, kutobaikun, kutobaiken, kutobaihun, kutobaihen. See, Malke, Malke, plural form. Malkai, Ike with the other. Au, Aikun, Aiken, Aihun, Aihen. See? Then with the plural form with the Malke, pronominal suffix plural form with the plural noun. Malke, Malkai, Malkaik, Malkaik with the other. Malke, Malkau, Malke, Malkain, Malkaikun, Malkain, Malkaikun, Malkaiken, Malkaihun, Malkaihen. See? Okay? Study well. Malpono, Malpono, Regule, plural form. Malpono, masculine singular. Then Regulo, masculine singular. Regule, masculine plural. Regule, Regulai, Regulaik, Regulaik with the other. Regulau, Regule, Regulain, Regulaikun, Regulaiken, Regulaihun, Regulaihen. See the stem, the root is Ragal, Ragal. Then Ike with the other. Au, Ain, Aikun, Aiken, Aihun, Aihen. See the pronominal suffix plural endings, plural endings. The singular endings Yod, Ok, Ek, Yeh, Och, An, Kun, Kain, Hun, Hen. See the singular endings. See the difference in between plural pronominal suffix plural endings and pronominal suffix singular endings. If the noun is singular, we will add pronominal suffix singular form. If the noun is plural, we will add pronominal suffix plural form. There are exceptions also. Study well. Okay? Thank you.